Hello everybody, in this video I will talk with you about 4 ways how AliExpress Pocket or AliPocket can help you with your dropshipping business, how to use it, and what is AliPocket. I'm Leo Pozin, I'm owner and CEO of AutoDS. So first of all, what is AliPocket and why we need this thing? AliPocket is actually it's a gift cards system of AliExpress. This is the way how we can purchase gift cards using credit card for AliExpress, load them to our account, and then we can just make our orders using this balance which we have in our account. Now, why we need this AliPocket if actually we can just buy the products using the credit card, or for some of the products we can also use PayPal on AliExpress. So the first and the main reason is that we will not have surprises. What do I mean? I mean that sometimes when we use credit card, the credit card may be declined because one of the 2 factors. The first one can be AliExpress. Sometimes AliExpress just canceling the orders because they think that this is a fraud, or they didn't get an approval from the credit card company, or things like this. So if we have like 10 clients who will wait for their order, but we got stuck because we can't make the purchase on AliExpress, we will be in trouble and we will be in problem. So we don't want this situation to happen, so we just load the gift card balance before in our AliPocket account, and that's all. This how we will avoid these surprises. Another reason why we can have these surprises is because the credit card companies, because if every day we do like 1 or 2 orders using our credit card, and then one day we will create like 10 or 20 orders using the same credit card, this is something which our credit card company can think that it's a fraud or something like this, and then they will just decline these transactions. Also, you may have a limit in your credit card, so this is also something which you need to know, and you can avoid on this thing because you will have the balance before you make the purchase, and you will not have the surprises on the day when you create the order. So this is the main and the first reason why we want to use AliPocket. So I will summarize it. Usually we don't want to have surprises from the credit card companies or from AliExpress. The second reason is management. It's much easier to manage our orders when we know actually our expenses and orders also, when we know exactly which amount we already bought, and this way we can just, when we purchase the AliPocket, we can just put the gift card amount in a Sheets file or Excel file, and then it's much easier for us to track our profits and know what's going on in our business, instead of every day check what we ordered and the balance on our PayPal and credit cards. So this is the second thing. The third thing is that when we use the AliPocket, we can give access to our virtual assistant to our AliExpress account, and then they can create the orders for us. They can manage the orders, manage the returns, and everything. When we make the orders using our credit card or PayPal, we don't want to share the credit card or PayPal with our virtual assistant. So this is much easier to trust them on this way when we just have a balance in our account, and we don't need to do and we don't need to give the credit card to our employees. The fourth reason is auto ordering. When we use the AliExpress Pocket, we can connect auto ordering in systems like AutoDS, and then the system will make the purchase for us automatically and update the tracking number for us also automatically. In AutoDS it's free. So the auto ordering system will not work with your credit card, but it will work with the AliExpress Pocket. So this is something which is very, very, very good for us, and it's much more comfortable to use the AliExpress Pocket. Let's see how we can load this AliExpress Pocket and how we can get these gift cards. So first of all, I will go here, then I will go to my orders, and then I will go here, my AliExpress Pocket. Now here we can just click buy AliExpress Pocket, and we can choose the gift card which we want. So we can just click here, buy now, again buy now, and then we can just make the purchase here, and we will get our gift card, and then we can just use it, and it's very, very, very easy. I hope that you like this video. Please leave in the comments if you are using AliPocket right now, or will you start using AliPocket right now, or do you have any other way or any other ways for payments in AliExpress which you are using and you can recommend to other people. Also, for any question, just write down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you will get notified for any new video which I create, and I create them daily. So see you in the next videos. Bye bye.